comparison with the doom and gloom with which most industries have reacted to Brexit, law firms have been refreshingly upbeat in their response. For many firms, Brexit will create additional work and therefore revenue. Law firms are exposed to the performance of the sectors which they serve. Financial services are a big source of business for lawyers. Even in the aftermath of the financial crisis, the sector accounted for nearly half of the deals by value handled by the city's biggest law firms. If Brexit limits London's ability to trade with the continent, parts of the industry could relocate. One area of concern is access to the EU single market. The Lawyers Directive allows UK qualified lawyers to practice across the EU. UK solicitors have the right to argue before EU tribunals and the European Court of Justice. Conversely, European lawyers can practice freely in the UK. Even the most comprehensive free trade agreement for legal services, that between the EU and South Korea, does not give this level of access. 3/4 of the UK's top 50 firms already have EU-based offices, and some are moving UK-based staff out to them. Equally though, EU firms may find it necessary to set up UK offices. European law firms with offices in London saw their number of fee earners, including partners, rise by over 1/4 in the last 2 years. There has been an 80% increase in the number of EU nationals applying for British citizenship since the referendum. This suggests that professionals are still coming to the UK in droves. How can Goodman Jones assist? We've been working with professional practices in structuring packages for partners and senior staff who cross borders. This is to ensure that the tax structures of the country in which they move to don't adversely impact on their standard of living or their take-home pay. The uncertainty created by Brexit is likely to be a boon to many law firms. Many contracts are likely to be renegotiated as rules change. Clients will require advice in a time of flux. We can help firms looking to Brexit-proof their operation. Whether it is structuring UK offices or tax equalisation packages for senior staff, feel free to get in touch and we can debate this further.